So guys, in today's video, we are gonna make one of my son's absolute favorites. He loves the Pazookie from BJ's restaurant. So we're making an at-home late night version. Really easy. So you're just gonna need some store-bought cookie dough. You're gonna need some foil paper and your favorite ice cream, and that's it. You don't have to turn on the oven. You don't have to dirty up a bunch of dishes. This is so good. So here I'm just going to take some foil paper, and I'm using this pan as a reference just to shape it and the size that I wanted. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold the foil paper down. I'm basically creating a foil paper pie pan. That's it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be even. Next, I'm going to go ahead and smash my cookie dough out a bit just to try to make it a little even. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and pop this in the air fryer. Set it at 350 for 10 minutes. Then we're just going to go ahead and add our favorite ice cream to the top. And there you have it, the perfect late night treat. DIY Copycat BJ's Pazookie. You guys, it comes out so crispy on the outside and the edges, and so ooey gooey, chocolatey in the middle. I love cookies, and this is like the perfect thing. The perfect. You should try it. Late night treat. Yum.